Hey, what up, everybody? It's Lamar. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing everybody with an iPhone 5 that has a Verizon or AT&T iPhone 5. This work with Verizon iPhone 5. This work with AT&T iPhone 4, 4S, and iPhone 5. Locked or unlocked. I'm showing y'all both and all in one video. Now, if you want to have your phone working on Straight Talk, I know y'all see videos where it say you just get phone calls and text messages and no picture messages. Well, I'm about to show y'all how to get all working data. First off, when you first get Straight Talk, they give you this. I don't know my red book yet, but you get this, and they give you it'd be a red book inside, along with this thing right here, letting you know that it's a Straight Talk. You get a Straight Talk micro SIM, and I got all types of SIM cards anyway. But yeah, this is a Straight Talk micro SIM card, and it works for the iPhone 4. But what I did is I chopped it up. Well, I trimmed it down to fit my iPhone 5 SIM card slot. And if you know anybody that has a Straight Talk, has an iPhone on Straight Talk, you can tell them to call the company and tell them something's wrong with their SIM card. Put my SIM card in the slot. Tell them something wrong with their SIM card, that they keep losing 3G data or something like that. That's what I did. And they'll send them another micro SIM card. That's how I got my second one. And you just trim it down and you put it in your iPhone 5. Now, put it in my tray. If you have a locked iPhone 5, you have to be jailbroken to do this process. Now, my iPhone is jailbroken. This is my locked iPhone, but I'm videoing from my unlocked iPhone 5 at that. But what you do if you're locked, then you just come and you go to Cydia. And once you go to Cydia, what you want to come here and get is you want to type in tether. Type in tether me. Now there is a difference. If you see that first one, the first one with the drill right there, that's the paid version. Yeah, hold on, go back to it. Yeah, that's the paid version. So if you click on that, you see where it said install. So it might not be. Hold on, wrong one. It's Tetherize. Well, Tether me, they got some that are paid versions and some of them that is free. I think this is the paid version. Yeah, you gotta purchase, but you see it say 2.5-1. Just make sure it's the same, and the one just got a check mark. That's the Tether me that I got. So you click on it. This was free, by the way, because I don't like paying for shit. To be honest, y'all can call me cheap all you want, but once you install that Tether me, you would get the same feature as a unlocked iPhone 5. As you can see, it would say when you go to general and you go to cellular data, you go cellular, you'll see cellular on data network, and that's what you get when you install Tether me. Now the unlocked iPhone 5 get this feature too. So as you can see, when you put your SIM card back in, your carrier say home at the top, but I'm jailbroken, so I get to change that. So then you just click on cellular data network, and you see I am connected to Wi-Fi, but I'm gonna show y'all that I can send all of this without being on Wi-Fi. And I know y'all see a lot of videos that don't show that, but when you do that, the cellular data, the APN, att.mvno, and that's all you put. And make sure it's lowercase. Make sure it's spelled exactly how you see it spelled on my screen On the APN settings for visual voicemail, leave it at phone. That should be automatic, but if it ain't, just put it at phone. Only fill out what I have filled out. MMS APN settings, it's AT&T .mvno. For MMSC, http //mmsc.singular.com. MMS proxy 66.209.11.33. And as you see, the last one, MMS max message size is 104.857. And these are the settings. These are straight talk personal settings for you to get working data, picture messages, and working data, picture messages, and iMessage. So once you got working data, if you download a profile, one of those profiles they always be telling you about, then yeah, you would get iMessage. That's what everybody always show. They always showing people doing things with iMessage when they connected to Wi-Fi. But I'm gonna take my Wi-Fi off so y'all can really and truly see this. Hold up. Let me go. This is a person without an iPhone. You see, not connected to Wi-Fi, and I'm about to send her a picture. Hold up. This does happen at times, so you might just have to turn the phone off and back on, but I will not edit this video. I'm gonna let y'all see everything that I do to get my phone working. You see my settings is still the same. Now go back to it and see if I can send that picture message again. And if it don't send this time, sometimes it should automatically start sending. But if it don't send, it's no worry. Just turn the phone off. And trust me, it do work. I do this all the time. This for people that has a locked or unlocked iPhone 5. If your iPhone 5 is unlocked, you don't have to go through Cydia, and they do all the what you seen me do. But if your phone is unlocked, then you have to jailbreak it. Meaning that in order to jailbreak it, you have to be on iOS 6 or 6.1 or 6.1.2. If you're on iOS 6.1.3 or 6.1.4 with an iPhone 5, you out of luck. As long as your phone can be jailbroken, you can do this process. So if you have an iPhone 4S, you can do this process too. You don't have to be locked or unlocked to use the SIM card trick. I know some of y'all probably seen my other video where I used the T-Mobile SIM card trick. But my phone, this phone right here is not unlocked, and I didn't get it unlocked, so I'm not using that trick. We're gonna go back to that picture and try to send that picture again. So as you see, it did sent real fast, matter of fact. And I'm not connected to Wi-Fi, as you can see. So you know that works. Let me show you that my data do works, because this is iMessage. Hey man, watch your voice, man. Yeah, then okay, so you seen me make that. Let me see, internet. I'm about to show y'all that my internet does work. Find something to go to real quick. Okay. As you can see, I'm in Google, not connected to the internet. Not connected to Wi-Fi. As you see up there, that tab means I'm getting the iMessage. I'll make a video about my jailbroken, the things I get with a jailbroken device, but let's go to a website. Okay, YouTube. As you can see, China, she said, "Hey, YouTube." The girl full of it though. But yeah, I'm gonna connect back to my Wi-Fi. I showed y'all that my internet data is working, so I'm gonna connect back to Wi-Fi. Everything is working as I told you. Don't forget, you must be jailbroken to do that. Still, if you're jailbroken, you must have Tether Me in order for to get that settings that I just showed you. You don't have to pay for it. I have everything that you need in the description box. Let me see. Now, if you have Twitter, you can always follow me on Twitter. I do respond back to everybody faster on Twitter than anything else. So, first off, let me go back. I'm gonna show y'all that girl Twitter that y'all just seen texting me. Well, first off, if you have Twitter, follow me on Twitter at Lamar89. That's my Twitter right there. Secondly, the girl in China that you just seen texting me, this is her Twitter. You follow her as well. That's my friend. She real cool. Then I told this person I shout her out in the video. If you follow my twifey, you follow her on Twitter too. But yeah, you hit me up on Twitter. I do respond back faster on Twitter. I showed you everything that you needed to do. I showed you that I have working data. Okay, let y'all see my call. I have working data.
For English, press 1. Para español, press. For Straight Talk, press 1. Thank you for calling Straight Talk.
And if you don't believe that I'm on Straight Talk still, I have a text message that I just recently got. Alright. May 18th at 4 p.m. That's when I got that text message. So yeah. It is tethering me if you unlocked. It just only works if you have a locked iPhone 4, 4S, or 5 with AT&T and a locked iPhone 5 with Verizon, and you want it running on Straight Talk. You have to jailbreak. It has to be jailbroken. You can do the same method with an unlocked iPhone 5 with the same companies that I just told you. With Sprint, this will not work. Sprint is not capable of being on Straight Talk. And remember, I told you the micro SIM is what you would get. But if you go to their website, the only thing they're selling is T-Mobile SIM cards, and they pull all the Straight Talk micro SIM cards. So that works with the iPhone. So if you know anybody with one, then just tell them to call and say they Straight Talk SIM card been messing up. They keep losing service with their 3G, or their calls keep getting dropped. Come up with some good lie. I did it. You know what I'm saying? I'm always trying to get over the system, so I did it, and they sent me another one, a brand new one. You know what I'm saying? And I just used it. Now this right here, this is my brand new one right here that I'm gonna be using when I get my other iPhone come in the mail. My iPhone 4S. I'm getting the 4S, and I'm making some videos with that. Even though I do got a 5, I still got some videos that I'll be making with other iPhones too. So yeah, follow me on Twitter. Hit me up if you have any questions or comments. I will put everything that you've seen in this video in the description box. And comment, rate, subscribe to my channel. We'll have more videos coming, some more interesting videos. And if you wanna see the tweets that I got, like all these kind of tweets, you know, just comment the video, let me know if you want to see me make a video of my jailbroken device tweets, and I do respond back to everybody that comment my videos. You check my channel for videos that you might find helpful for you. And that's it for this video. Alright, one.